everybody, I'm Lori Palau, founder of Simply Be Organized. Our mission is to help people live simply and work smarter. Over the past 10 years, I've worked with all kinds of clients, helping them declutter, organize, and strategize their lives. And over the past 2 years, I've pivoted my business to helping other professional organizers grow and nurture their businesses. What I've learned in this industry is that there are so many passionate people who love organizing and helping others get organized, but maybe they lack the business strategy and acumen to run the business. So what I've developed is a mentoring program specifically designed for professional organizers by a professional organizer, understanding the pitfalls and the challenges of running a professional organizing business. So whether you are 6 months in or 6 years in, if you need a little bit of help and guidance along the way, please reach out. Just visit simplybeorganized.com, and on the upper right-hand corner of the homepage, click the Contact Us button and let us know a little bit about you, and we'll be in touch with next steps.